Hi, I'm going to be walking you through how to complete a task for the Flamingo Bullet Points Categorization project. So in this project, you'll be reviewing short phrases, which we call bullets, selecting the appropriate categories that match to parts of that bullet phrase, and copying and pasting the bullet text that matches those selected categories. So the first thing you'll see when you open up one of these tasks is the bullet point here at the top. So this is what we call the bullet point or bullet phrase. And we want to read it. It's very clearly outlined for you in this red box here. It might be a few words or it could be a full sentence, but what we want to do is read through the entire bullet and think about all the pieces of information that are included. A good bullet should be readable and also convey a specific piece of information about the product. After we've read through it, the next thing we want to do is look here at the product page. So we've provided a link here to the product page, and we'll want to navigate to this link, review it to get more context about what the bullet phrase is talking about, and specifically try to find exactly where that bullet is located on the product page to get as much context as possible. So we might have to scroll through the page a little bit, depending on the product. Let's go ahead and navigate to that product page right now. So I've just opened up the product page here by navigating to the link. We can see that it's an oil-based cleanser, some sort of cleansing oil. So we want to scroll through here and look for the bullet. We don't see it here. Maybe we scroll down here. It's not listed under details. Click on benefits, and there it is. Ideal for normal to dry skin. So it's listed as a benefit for this product. Now let's go back to the task. Now that we've gained more context about the bullet in terms of the product. The next step we want to take is identify any element in the bullet that fits a specific category. So we can see these categories here on the right. And just looking through them, general product information, colors and materials, style information. The one that seems to best fit is, for this bullet, is probably beauty product specific because it was an oil cleanser. So let's drop down here. And as we can see here, skin type, right? That matches pretty well to our bullet, ideal from normal to dry skin. And we can just look at the hint for this category. It says skin type recommendations, typically limited to beauty products, examples, oily, dry, sensitive, etc. That seems to fit pretty well here. It is a skin type recommendation. It's ideal for normal to dry skin. So let's go ahead and select this. And we get this little checkbox that comes up here and a little hint. We just want to confirm that this is true. This text describes the type of skin the product is for, not how it will make it look or feel. That is correct in this case. So we'll go ahead and select skin type. And the next thing we want to do is scroll down to the bottom here, and we see this text box that comes up that asks, what is the text that describes the skin type? So we want to copy paste all parts of the bullet, but only the parts of the bullet that match that category. In this case, the entire bullet does match that category, right? Ideal from normal to dry skin, all of that applies in this category. So we will copy and paste it here. And we can see that that's the only category that we want to select. We only want to select categories that we're sure of. If you're not sure, then don't select and don't write anything in. Let's go ahead and submit. And we can see that we've successfully completed the task. This will be the general flow that you follow for any task for this project.